How to create a LinkedIn account on your mobile phone. Now, creating a LinkedIn account is very easy, so let's just jump into it. Now, open LinkedIn first, and then in your LinkedIn, you will see different options that you can use to join. Now, let's just continue with Google. After you choose your Google account, you just need to tap on continue, and then you will be able to see your you will be able to add your location, and then you can click if you're either a student or not. After you do so, just click on just put your jobs post job title. Let me just do something very random, or you can just say that you're a student, and then you will be able to put in your university name. I'm just gonna do something very random, and then yes, you're done. Now all you need to do is follow through. You can choose your job titles, what kind of jobs you're looking for, and also the location. Just add your job titles. I'm just doing very random stuff, and you can just follow anyone you're interested with, and you can just finish this finish up your profile, and you are done. So this is how you create your LinkedIn account. Here is your profile. You can view your profile, you can go to your network, you can view your notifications, you can go see jobs opening for you. So that's all. Thank you for watching.